Kadon Bosco Technical School Laitumkhrah Shillong hini ke Sngi ke arpo sautrik ujilliu hajar arpo kelapli Kadon Bosco Expo-Cum-Sale hajar arpo Kani Kadon Bosco Expo-Cum-Sale kadai ke jingpen ipad ba ye ki tiar kitar ki baki kena jong kani ke school kilashna badru pen ye ki sap ki pong jong ki hakilan baper ki baki puli hakani ke school kum ke mechanic carpentry fashion designing photography bakery stenography tailoring bat ki way Lapli kani ke Expo-Cum-Sale dekat DC jo ke East Khasi Hills District ikong Isla Wanda lalu haka jinga don lang director jong kani ke school ifada Saji Stephen i principal ifada Arcadius Puwen bat ki fathers bat ki brothers jong kani ke institution ladon lang ru kinong hikai bat ki kena jong kani ke school kani ke Expo-Cum-Sale kan long hakini ki Sngi kata ke arpu sautarik bat arpu santrik menta ubenai jelio.
Have a look at all the amazing products and tools which we are going to see. Is that please take pride in your craft, in the skills that you have learned. Aim to improve yourself each and every day. Each day will be a learning experience. Try to make the most of the resources which are available in this day and age. Many of you will go out and you will want to start maybe your own motor workshop, you will want to open your own shop, your own retail shop, and you will look about for loans and assistance. There are many government programs, schemes, subsidies. We have the PMEGP under the Directorate of Commerce and Industries, which provides loans to aspiring entrepreneurs who want to set up their own units and who will go on to employ other young boys and girls. I urge you to take the risks. Do not be afraid of these, of venturing into new avenues, and take the risk. Aim to improve yourself, and also do not be afraid to step out of your own comfort zone.
Through the mentor of the teachers, their products or the exhibits are the outcome of your creativity and skills to show and to remind yourself that you are almost ready to venture out and to stand on your own legs and not depend on the government or family members for your living.